welcome back to another episode. My name's Philip, if you guys didn't know, hence the title Phil is Super, or the channel name. Anyway, I thought I'd switch things up today. I took a shower before I started filming, so I actually smelled delicious, like Old Spice, keeping it real. Plan for today, though, is we're going to try to wrap the final door. So this is it, and in case you're wondering why we skipped the door, I think I mentioned in the video before, but if not, it's because of the paint quality. Let's see if I can zoom in. Yeah, you see all those ripples? So, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get rid of all of them, but I would like to give it a quick sand first. So the plan for today is to tape off everything around it, so that way when I sand it, it doesn't hurt it. Tape it off, then go ahead and wrap it, and then probably see if I can paint everything, or all the leftover spots. So that's the goal for today. We'll see how far we get, and I'll set you down, and let's just go straight to the time lapse of me sanding the door. Alright, so it's all cleaned up. I'm actually feeling pretty good about that, which is kind of nice. I mean, it's not perfect, not really even close, I guess, but it's good enough for me, and that's really what matters. So, next part that we're doing is we're actually going to be wrapping the car, which is great. I'm actually pretty excited about that because this door kind of looks dumb. I'll give you guys another look before we actually wrap it, but yeah, it just looks stupid being all red and blue. Looked nice with the other car, but not the other car, the other paint job, but yeah, now it's time for the wrap. So I'm gonna set you guys down, just letting you know the battery's dead or near dying. I know I pretty much say that every video because this is a really bad battery, but I'm just gonna set you guys up. You'll see what you see. If it dies partway through, yeah, I'm sorry guys, but that's kind of just what happened. So I'm gonna shut up now because I should shut up. Probably grab another cup of coffee, come back out here and start wrapping. So, woohoo! Door's finally gonna be black though. I'm legitimately happy about that. Well, the battery charged, or it's not completely charged, but I'm pretty much done. So that means that this episode is going to be really short, and I'm sorry about that, guys, but it is what it is. So what happened today was we pretty much wrapped the door, which was awesome. And then I was working on the bottom part when the battery died. I heard it ding, I was like, oh crap, there goes that. So I stuck it on the charger, and then, well, it was charging. In addition to getting the door finished wrapping, I wrapped the trim on that side and I put it on, as well as did some guards on the inside the fender where I cut it to keep the metal a little safer for people. But I'm going to show you all that now, and we'll get a quick recap, and then we'll probably be done. So this is really what we did today. That door is completely wrapped now, which is awesome. The lens has a lot of glare in it because I probably need to clean it. Oh man, add that to the list. I was going to do that last night. Anyway, getting back on topic. Doors wrapped, the top part's done, the bottom part's done. It was really easy. The only tough part was right here where the bend goes in that way a little bit. Aside from that, this is crazy easy. Worked out perfectly too because I used 2 sheets as you saw, and had them split in the middle. And the reason those sheets were actually from wrapping the front bumper, this is just, I went all the way along and this was the 2 excess pieces that I had. Worked out great, plus had a little extra, so we are primo right there. That's dope. Anyway, yeah, no, I am super happy with this right now. Like, wow. That's a full black side right there, minus the blue and the bottom part, but that'll be another day. So yeah, no, that's awesome. And then, yep, we wrapped the trim so you guys know, or I don't know if you didn't, I think I cut that part out. This piece is on, we'd stuck that on with the other side because that was wrapped. But this middle piece, this end piece, and that end piece were not wrapped yet. So if you guys saw from other videos, I'll tell you again anyway, but there's some tabs in here. Put the tabs in, put silicone around the outside to keep the water from seeping in. So that way when you're washing the car, it's not like slowly dripping out the bottom each time and making it impossible to dry. So that's on, it's sealed. The front end, that's taped down because what happened is I didn't know there was an actual bolt instead of a clip when I first took that off, so I bent that a little bit. That's setting to dry. Right here, we cut off one of the pegs when we did the wide body kit, so that tape's holding it in place to dry. And right here, that peg actually snapped, so I had that piece off before I even started wrapping the car. So that's just held in by silicone, but it'll be plenty strong. That stuff is super strong. You can hold a flare on without having to do any rivets. So that's all drying now. That'll probably take a good 24 hours to dry, and that's really about it. So I'm loving it, guys. That was a good day. A lot of progress done. Short progress. Didn't take a lot of time, which was great. Sets us up well for tomorrow. I think this is the last video for the week, which should be great for you guys, but what I want to do is I would like to get the side skirt done. So I had the side skirt up in the rafters there, sitting out of the way, but I want to see if I can get that done and finish up the black. So what that means is the bottom part, we got to put the gutter, the side part on, and then spray it all black, spray the door handle black, spray that trim black, because that little section there with a couple bolts that couldn't wrap. And then maybe onto the back trim, lights, and getting near done. So I'm really happy where we're at, guys. This is great. I have to burp again, but that's great, guys. I'm excited. So thanks, guys, for watching. This has been a productive day. I did get a call from Drift Motion while I was working on this, saying that my timing belt for the 1JZ was out of stock, so I gotta go purchase a new one. As well as that, I really gotta clean up the garage in my room to make way for parts, because I won't be able to swap my engine right away when I get it. So I'm gonna need a place to store the parts, so I really need to get things cleaned up and get an area for all those. So that's really about it. If you guys want more updates, follow me on Instagram at PhilSuper. Get more updates there. They'll come out sooner than when I post them. I'll probably be posting what I did here on Instagram probably about 12 or 13 hours before it actually happens or goes live on YouTube. So that'll be happening there. If you want to support the channel, just continue to watch. Let your friends know about this. That's probably the biggest way. If you want to give money, I'm not going to say no. There's tip jars. Link down below, PayPal, GoFundMe, and Patreon. So guys, I'd appreciate any help I can get, but watching it is good enough for me. Don't forget, dislike, unsubscribe, leave a hit in the comments, guys. Bye!